Which of the following biomolecules does have a phosphodiester bond? The correct answer is option A, nucleic acids in a nucleotide. A phosphodiester bond is a type of covalent bond that links the nucleotides in a strand of DNA or RNA. A nucleotide consists of a ribose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. And this bond forms between the phosphate group of one nucleotide and the hydroxyl group on the sugar of the next nucleotide, forming the backbone of nucleic acid strand. So option A is the correct answer. Coming to option B, fatty acids in a diglyceride. Fatty acids in a diglyceride is connected by ester linkage. So option B is incorrect. Option C, monosaccharides connected in a polysaccharide. It is by the glycosidic bond. So option C is incorrect. Option D, amino acids in a polypeptide. So they are connected by peptide bond, not phosphodiester bond. Answer is option A.